Finding the best wok for gas stove can make home cooking feel easier and more fun, especially when you want fast heat and real stir-fry flavor. The best wok for gas stove heats evenly, handles high flames well, and gives you better control for everything from fried rice to quick weeknight meals. I've tested different wok styles in real kitchens, and small details like weight, shape, and handle comfort matter more than most people expect, especially for busy USA home cooks using powerful gas ranges. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Babish 14-inch Carbon Steel Wok. The Babish 14-inch Carbon Steel Wok feels sturdy and well-balanced for everyday cooking. It has a flat bottom that sits securely on many stovetops, which makes it easy to use at home. I liked how quickly it heated up, especially when cooking vegetables or fried rice at high heat. Rapid heat flow helps food cook fast without uneven spots in the pan. This wok works on gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction cooktops, which adds flexibility for different kitchens. Cool touch grip makes the wooden handles more comfortable during longer cooking sessions. The deep shape gives enough room for tossing ingredients without spilling over the sides. One small downside is that it needs hand washing and regular oil care to prevent rust. Still, it offers dependable heat control and a classic stir-fry experience that feels natural to use. Number 4. FGJ 13-inch Carbon Steel Wok. The FGJ 13-inch Carbon Steel Wok gives a traditional cooking feel with a modern flat-bottom design. It heats fast and works well for stir-fry, noodles, fried rice, and simple family meals. I found the wide shape helpful when tossing vegetables or cooking larger portions. Clear glass lid makes it easy to watch food cook without lifting the cover too often. The pre-seasoned carbon steel SU face also helps food release more smoothly after a few uses. This wok works on gas, electric, induction, and even outdoor grills, which adds flexibility in the kitchen. Quick heat response helps adjust cooking temperature fast, especially during high heat stir-frying. One small downside is that it needs hand washing and regular drying to avoid rust. Still, it offers strong heat control and a classic wok cooking experience for everyday use. Number 3. DOTCLAD 12-inch Hybrid Wok Pan. The DOTCLAD 12-inch Hybrid Wok Pan feels like a good mix of stainless steel strength and non-stick ease. It heats quickly and works well for stir-fry, vegetables, and simple one-pan meals. I liked how the cooking surface needed less oil, which made cleanup feel easier after busy dinners. Snowflake tech helps food release better while keeping the feel of stainless steel. The included lid is useful when steaming vegetables or finishing sauces slowly. This wok works on gas, electric, induction, and oven cooking, which adds flexibility in most kitchens. Fast heat layers help spread heat evenly, so food cooks without cold spots. The stainless steel build also feels durable enough for daily use. One small downside is that the handle can feel warm during longer cooking sessions. Still, it offers a balanced mix of easy care, steady heat, and modern cooking performance for everyday meals. Number 2. Lodge Bold 14-inch Cast Iron Wok. The Lodge Bold 14-inch cast iron wok gives a solid and sturdy feel that works well for home cooking. I noticed the heat stayed steady, which helps when cooking at high temperatures. This makes it a strong option for the best wok for gas range if you enjoy deep searing and rich flavor. Even heat spread helps food cook without hot spots, which is useful for large meals. This wok works on grills, ovens, induction tops, and open flame cooking. The side handles feel modern and easier to grip than many traditional wok designs. Natural oil finish gives the pan a simple non-stick feel without added coatings. One small downside is that cast iron feels heavy, especially when tossing food often. Still, it delivers reliable heat control and long-lasting performance for serious home cooks. Number 1. YOSUKATA 13.5 Blue Carbon Steel Wok. The YOSUKATA 13.5 Blue Carbon Steel Wok feels strong and reliable from the first use. It has a flat bottom that sits well on most home stoves, which makes it a smart pick for the best wok for gas stove top. The size works well for family meals, stir-fry, fried rice, and quick searing. I liked how the pan heated fast and held steady heat during longer cooking sessions. Flat bottom fit helps keep the wok balanced on gas, electric, and induction cooktops. The carbon steel body feels durable and gives food a rich sear that many home cooks enjoy. Heavy-duty steel adds a solid feel that works well for high-heat cooking. One small downside is that the wok feels a bit heavy during long cooking sessions. Still, it offers a traditional cooking experience with strong heat control and lasting performance. Final verdict. If you want one wok that balances performance, durability, and everyday ease, the YOSUKATA 13.5 Blue Carbon Steel Wok stands out as the best overall pick. It heats fast, handles high-flame cooking well, and works across different cooktops, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Many cooking experts also favor carbon steel for its quick heat response and authentic stir-fry results. For a special use case, the Lodge Bold 14-inch cast iron wok is a great option if you prefer strong heat retention and slow, even cooking. It works especially well for deep searing, grilling, and outdoor cooking setups. No matter which one fits your cooking style, check the description links for current details and compare the options carefully. Pick the wok that feels right for your kitchen and cooking habits.